Distinguished guests, my dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I, Rajan San, employee of Gargia Mahindra, welcome you all this afternoon to Gargia Mahindra. We are all gathered here today to unveil the all-new Mahindra XUV 700 Black Edition in its all-new avatar. I now request our COO, Siddharth sir, to say a few words in front of you. Sir.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us today at Bhorlumo. To begin with, Gargia Business Group was started by late Sri Ramesh Chandra Sharma, who served as the chairman of the group. And chairman sir, he left us behind and departed on this world on 14th April 2021. However, post his demise, Mr. Rahul Dev Sharma took over as managing director of the Gargia Group. And currently in the leadership of our managing director and under the banner of Gargia Group, we are having different business verticals, which are like automobiles. We are into real estate also, and food and beverage restaurants. So noted among this are the Gargia Auto City, which is the Toyota dealership, and Godspeed, which is a Suzuki dealership under the Gargia Group, and they are present for almost more than a decade, and which are in the market for more than a decade, and created a brand loyalty among customers in Assam and Northeast with its trust and services to esteemed customers. Going forward with the same principle and ideologies, in the year 2023 May, Mahindra dealership was operational with Gargia Motors at Bhorlumo. And so far, it's been a fantastic journey for us with more than 400 loyal Gargia customers and who has faith in us and with our services. We understand that purchasing a car is not just a transaction, it's an experience that stays with you. At our dealership, we strive to redefine customer service in the automotive industry. From the moment any customer steps onto our showroom, our dedicated team is committed providing a seamless and personalized experience. Thank you once again, and we are honored to be part of a new vehicle purchase service now and in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth sir. May I now please request Mr. Simanto Buzabarwa sir, Area Manager Mahindra, to say a few words about this all-new XUV 700 Black Edition. Sir.
Thank you, thank you. A very warm welcome to each and everyone who have gathered here. And we at Mahindra are indeed very proud, and it's a great privilege to welcome you to this evening where we have gathered to launch the XUV 700 2024 edition. Now, as you all know, the XUV 700 was launched way back in 2018, where we were the very first automaker to have launched the car with a host of first and second features. In terms of luxury, sophistication, and premiumness, there was no second to XUV 700. It was a very futuristic car. It was a very which was far ahead of its time in terms of features as well as in terms of overall comfort and luxury of the car. If you speak about ADAS, nobody had heard of it in a car of that particular segment, of a segment below 20 lakhs. If you talk about features like Equinox, connected car, Alexa built-in, and so on, these features were there in this vehicle, XUV 700. Now, come 2024. We have launched the XUV 700 2024 Avatar, which also it sets the bar even higher. It ups the ante. In terms of luxury, we have the newly introduced ventilated seats at the top model. So when you are driving in a car, even though the outside weather condition is not up to the mark in terms of comfort, you are completely comfortable inside the car because of the ventilated seats. You have the memory function ORVMs, where the seating position, it memorizes the seating position and accordingly it adjusts the ORVM. So these are certain features which were available only in very high segment cars, and it's now been introduced in the XUV. Apart from that, we have also introduced certain features which are very appealing in terms of value. Even the lower segment, we have the cruise control. Even the lower segment, we have the reverse camera, which were not there earlier. So we have listened to the customers and we have reacted to them by giving them value, sophistication, comfort, luxury, as well as innovation. So, without further ado or without making further delay, we would go straight to the presentation, and spending 5 minutes in the presentation, we will go and ask the gentleman here to come and do the honors to reveal the car. So we'll just go to the presentation once. First, let us have the AV run once more, the audio visual. Next slide, 1 lakh units. So we are now 1 lakh from SUV in the 700 itself. Even though we are very proud to be the #1 SUV manufacturer in India, 700 itself is a big benchmark of 1 lakh units. Next slide. So that's the milestone of 1 lakh, and we are saying hello to 1 lakh by introducing the 2024 edition. Next slide. First in segment features. So we have the ADAS features, which was the first in segment, as I already told. In 2018 itself, we had launched that, and it created a huge uproar in the market that a car below 20 lakhs can give such an important feature. We have the smart door handles. The door handles that you could see in the 700 in that edition itself was smart. So when people look at the car, you don't feel like it's a car of this age or at this price. Next. Apart from that, we have some best in segment features which are not there or which are the best in the segment. Like the ride handling, the noise levels are very, very less in this segment. You have the sky roof, which is also voice enabled. Next slide. Next slide. Just go to the features. Yes. So just stay here. Yeah. So this is the black edition, the all dark edition that we have launched this year. Earlier, it used to come in the midnight black. So now we have another color which is there available across all the variants from top to bottom, where it is completely blacked out. Once we reveal the car, you will see that the front grille is completely blacked out. The shoulder line is completely dark, as well as the alloy wheels, they are completely dark. So you have the totally dark edition avatar of the 700, which really is very appealing, very luxurious, and it looks ultra modern in its whole stance. This is the Napoli black color. So as I already told, blacked out grille. Next slide. Blacked out alloy wheels and the black waistline. Yes. Next slide. Yeah, so this I had missed out. For the first time in this vehicle, we've introduced captain seats. So you have the two captain seats, very plush seats at the second row, where you can have an experience of you feel like you are driving or flying first class in the car. So it gives a altogether new feeling of sitting inside the car. Ventilated seats are there in the as I've already mentioned, in the top model. Top variant. These are newly introduced ORVM with memory function. It memorizes your seating position and adjusts your ORVM accordingly. Then there are 13 new connected features. I will not go into the details, but all these features are very, very helpful to the customer, and it gives you a very connected experience of the car. Next. So that's more about it. That's pretty much the end of the presentation. So we have 5 colors in this vehicle and one new color, which is the Napoli Black All Dark Edition. Yeah. Let's go to the last of the slide. Last. Yeah. Just before that. No, yeah. So that's more about the presentation. So we have come to the close of the presentation. So I'll hand over the mic to our host, and we will go straight to the launch of the vehicle, the revealing of the vehicle. Thank you so much.
Those who have taken pain to come to our showroom for this auspicious event. And I also thank Mahindra and Mahindra team, area sales manager Mr. Shimanta Pujabarua, and all my colleagues of Mahindra and Mahindra Group. So this is a nice occasion, and we have well managed and well organized these functions. I hope that this car will satisfy our customer requirement, and our colleague also will be happy to see this car numbers. Thank you.
Boleh lagi? Budak boleh.